December month, raining, and today I got a package from Topfit, and we're going to try to install its dash cover, so exchanging the wooden panel in Model 3. Actually, it's Matthias Model 3. We're going to install this into his car, and we'll see how it works. What's in the box? Opening the box. Interesting. Paper. Smaller box. Okay, so it's 2 pieces. Let's take a look. Yeah, nice. Let's see if we just open up the plastic. Nice looking. It's glossy. Yeah. So put this here and open up the other one. Yeah. All right, so we're going to install this and see how it fits, and I'm kind of interested how these two will look when they are put together here. If it's going to be very noticeable, or if the screen is going to cover everything up. We will see. All right, let's install. All right, so we're in the car, and as you can see, we have this wooden panel here, and we have these. So the first thing we do is just to see how it fits. Yeah. And as you can see, there will be a line here. It's very important to clean this. And then, once we taken this off, so this protective plastic off, it's very important that we don't put it all on here at the same time. So we just start at this end and continue pushing it down, because once this is on, it's very hard to remove. Okay, so let's see how this works. So, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so now it's Matthias' turn. Looking good?
Yes.
Now we can close the door. Yeah, it's a nice fit, I think. Yeah, it's a bit of a gap between the two panels here, but you won't see it because half the screen. Yeah, not even if you sit all the way over here, you will see it. So, yeah, I think it looks nice. Yeah, so if you're interested in this panel, you can find it at Topfit. I will put a link in the description. And yeah, the only thing for my taste, it's glossy. As I understand, there's hard to get hold of matte ones. But if you like glossy, this is the one. And this is actually something that someone else installed for you.
Yes.
And this one is matte. I like this one. We actually got covers as well from Topfit, but we're not going to install them in this car. But it matches much better now, even though this is matte and this is glossy, than it did with the carbon fiber and the wooden panel before. Okay, so the result. I think it's pretty good. Pretty nice. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah, he's happy. All right, thanks for watching. Drive safely, and I'll see you in the next one. What? Into his car, and yeah, we'll see how it works. Och nu är det någonting som händer. Någon som ringer. Welcome to Sweden. Welcome to it. December, west coast of Sweden, rain, just above freezing point. And I'm here with Matthias. And now we don't have any light anymore. So it's interesting.